Okay, so you're doing great work. You're meeting deadlines, you're delivering results. So, why does it feel like no one's noticing? Here's the truth: most professionals don't struggle with performance, they struggle with visibility. And the frustrating part, you probably think visibility means being louder, more political, or more confident than you really are. It doesn't. In this video, I'm going to show you how visibility is actually built on purpose, step by step, without compromising who you are. By the end, you'll have a clear system for becoming more visible at work. No games, no fake confidence, just clarity. Let's get into it. So, here's what most people believe: if you just do better work, someone will eventually notice. But that's not how it works. Leadership isn't watching your every move. They're too busy. They're overwhelmed. They have 47 other priorities. So if you're not actively communicating your value, you're invisible. And here's the hard truth: leaders don't promote the hardest workers, they promote the people whose value they can clearly see and explain. Pause on that for a second. Your manager isn't promoting based on effort, they're promoting based on clarity. Once you understand that, everything changes because clarity is something you can practice. So let me introduce you to a concept I call visibility gravity. Here's the idea: recognition naturally pulls toward people who create clarity around their work. Not noise, not ego, not politics, clarity. When you make your value clear, visible, and easy to understand, opportunities start coming to you. That's the gravity effect. And the beautiful part: this isn't about changing your personality, it's about changing how you communicate. Here's the four-step system. Number one is simplify how your work is explained. Most people describe what they do, and leaders care about what changes because of it. Here's an example. Instead of saying, I manage 3 projects and coordinate with stakeholders, you say, I remove delays so our team can hit deadlines more consistently. Same job, completely different visibility. The first version sounds like tasks. The second version sounds like value. And here's why this matters. When your manager talks about you to their manager, they need to explain your value in one sentence. If you've already given them that sentence, you've made their job easier. And when you make leadership's job easier, you get promoted. So ask yourself, can you explain your value in one clear sentence? If not, that's the first thing to fix. Step number 2 is be visible at the right moments. Visibility isn't about constant exposure. It's not about being at every meeting or copying everyone on every email. It's about showing up clearly at the moments leadership already pays attention to. What are those moments? Updates. When your manager asks for a status update, don't just say, working on it. Give them a clear, results focused answer. Meetings. Contribute at least once. Ask a clarifying question and share an insight. Show that you're engaged in the process. Decisions. When leadership is making a decision, offer input. Even a simple, here's what I'm seeing, makes you visible. Results. When you complete something significant, communicate it. Don't assume people noticed. One clear sentence at the right time does more for your visibility than hours of quiet effort. So stop waiting for people to ask about your work. Communicate it proactively at these key moments. Step number 3 is connect your work to the bigger picture. Leaders don't think in tasks, they think in outcomes. When you can connect your work to the team goals, the company priorities, risk reduction, revenue growth, customer impact, you stop sounding like a worker and start sounding like a leader. Here's what this sounds like in practice. Instead of, I updated the dashboard, you say, I updated the dashboard so leadership can track our progress toward the Q4 revenue goal in real time. Do you see the difference? You're not just completing a task, you're contributing to a goal that leadership cares about. And when you consistently frame your work in this way, leadership starts seeing you as someone who thinks proactively. That's when promotions happen. And step 4 is practice visibility before you need it. This is the biggest mistake people make. They wait until promotion time to suddenly start being visible. But by then it's too late. Leadership has already formed their opinion of you and your peers. Visibility works best when it's built before it's required. So start now. Build these habits. Send a weekly update to your manager every Friday. Just a short email summarizing what you accomplished and what's next. Contribute in your meetings, even if it's just one clarifying question. Build relationships beyond your immediate team. Get on the radar of decision makers who influence promotions. Small habits, clear language, consistent presence. Do this for 3 months, and you'll be shocked at how differently people see you. Let's recap the 4 steps to building visibility on purpose. 1. Simplify how your work is explained. Make your value clear in one sentence. 2. Be visible at the right moments. Updates, meetings, decisions, results. And 3. Connect your work to the bigger picture. Talk about outcomes, not just tasks. And the 4th and final one is practice visibility before you need it. Build the habits now, not during promotion time. This is the visibility gravity system, and it works without being fake, loud, or political. Now, everything I've described sounds simple, and it is, but it's not always easy to do on the spot, especially if you're not used to communicating this way. That's why I created the Visibility Starter Pack. It gives you simple tools to practice each of these steps without overthinking them. Inside, you'll find the 20-second leadership message builder. Helps you simplify how you explain your value. The weekly wins email template makes it easy to communicate your results consistently. The 3-second meeting entry technique helps you contribute confidently in meetings. The Visibility Orbit Builder shows you how to build relationships beyond your manager. And the Confidence Check helps you show up with intention before high-stakes moments. All of it's free, all of it's practical, and all of it's designed to help you build visibility the right way. If you want to help putting this into action, download the Visibility Starter Pack. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. And if you're wondering why talented people stay invisible in the first place, I have another video that breaks that down. I'll link to it at the end. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. I put out 2 new videos every week on leadership, visibility, communication, and career growth. Thanks for watching. Let's get you visible.